I've been exploring the New York Times app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the New York Times app. The New York Times app is a digital news platform designed to deliver the latest news, in-depth articles, and multimedia content right to your smartphone or tablet. Whether you want breaking news, feature stories, opinion pieces, or videos, this app serves as a comprehensive digital newspaper that keeps you informed anytime, anywhere. In terms of features, the New York Times app offers personalized news feeds based on your interests and reading habits, so you can easily access content relevant to you. It includes options to save articles for offline reading, listen to audio versions of stories, and watch original videos and podcasts. The app's clean, user-friendly interface makes browsing through categories like politics, business, culture, and technology straightforward. Subscribers get full access to premium content, including exclusive reporting and special series, while non-subscribers can access limited free articles. Additionally, the app sends timely notifications for breaking news and important updates to keep you in the loop. Speaking from my own experience, I found the New York Times app to be a dependable companion for staying updated on the news throughout my day. I often catch up on articles during my morning coffee or while commuting, and the personalized feed really helps me focus on topics that matter most to me without feeling overwhelmed by irrelevant stories. What I appreciate most is the app's ability to deliver breaking news quickly, so I'm rarely out of the loop. Listening to audio versions of articles has been a game changer on busy days when I can't sit down to read. That said, I have noticed the subscription can feel a bit pricey, especially if you're not reading daily. But overall, the app's smooth performance and clean design make it a pleasure to use regularly. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the free version limits how many articles you can read each month, which can be frustrating if you're a casual reader or don't want to commit to a subscription. Some users may find the subscription price a bit high compared to other news apps. Occasionally, the app can send too many notifications, which might feel overwhelming. Also, offline reading capabilities are only available for saved articles, so you can't download content in bulk for later. To sum it up, the New York Times app is an excellent tool for anyone wanting comprehensive news coverage with a mix of articles, videos, and podcasts wrapped in a sleek interface. It's perfect for dedicated readers who value quality journalism and personalized content, though some limitations on free access and subscription costs might be a consideration. If staying informed with trusted reporting is your goal, this app is definitely worth exploring. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.